Hello everyone! In this video, I decided to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube with zero experience. Little did I know, I had no idea just how long this would take me. What makes this video so unique was I wasn't able to ever stop recording until I actually solved the cube. Meaning I was there for hours and hours on end. Make sure to stick around till the end to see just how I reacted to solving the Rubik's Cube. There we are. I believe I got it to work. Beautifully finished crafted cube. And now I have to start to desolve it. Oh god, it hurts. This hurts.
It hurts to do. I start to desolve it for about, I'd say another 39 seconds. So now there won't be any traces of it being held together. And then it'll just be just a regular old cube. 5, 24, 23, 22, 23, 19, 18, 17, 16, 18, 14, 13. And after this time, it's out of the computer, the cube will be completely unsolved. 3, 2, 1, now.
As you can see, the cube has been completely unsolved. After I desolved the Rubik's Cube, I started looking around on the internet in hopes of finding a source that would help me in my time of need. Who's on my leg? Which one of you is on? It's Jelly! Now I'm gonna let Jelly do Jelly things because... No, except for going on the computer. Hello there, Munchkin. I don't expect this to get many views with my name, that's alright. It's scratching me! I'll make sure the whole world can see you. I also have Munchkin with me as well. After desolving the Rubik's Cube, I decided to go and look around for a solution to solving it. I first came across some websites on the internet, but after taking a look at them for a few minutes, they didn't seem to help me that well, whereas only just being images of the examples, not showing each step of the way on how to get there. So then I went to YouTube and then I found the first video with a whopping 78 million views and clicked on it. After watching the video, I found out that there was a whopping 8 steps to completing this. Little did I know this was going to be a journey to complete. Oh my god. Aha, we got it. Got the white on top, the 2 greens on the side, and the white on the right hand. Why does the universe make things so complicated? After some more attempts were made, I was quickly given a reality check on just how difficult this was actually going to be. Why doesn't mine look like that? Why doesn't it look like that? Why doesn't mine look like that? Sometime later, I finally finished part of the first step of completing the Rubik's Cube. Oh, okay, so this one's white and this one's green. And there we are. I now have 2 of them. One here, and then one, I got 2. Alright. Aha. And now I have 3 pieces done of the pie. Now the last one is right. But it did not affect anything. Okay, let's do this. Where is it? Right here. Gently. Gently. Gently, yeah! We have now all 2 blue, 2 orange, 2 green, 2 red. We have now finished the first step. After some time had passed, I finally finished the first step of 8 on completing the Rubik's Cube. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Alright. let me just add a little bit of sauce, some of that special good old sauce. Yeah. Ooh. Especially while I'm wearing a white shirt. Yeah, that's gonna end well. And just some napkins as a precaution. Dang, these are like the premium napkins. What the heck? Alright, well, we got them. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did it! Yes! 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 Up, left, down, right. Hey, I got another one done. Hey! Now we only need one more. Oh my god, I did it! We got one side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. There we are. After some trial and error, we finally got the first layer complete. Now, will the second layer be easier? No, it will not. Okay, that's not too bad. 2 to 4 hours. Easy. Alright, I just wanted to make sure I didn't look like the slowest person on the planet trying to figure out how to solve this new thing right here. Ah! Come on, use that big brain of yours. I got a big brain. 2, 3, 4. Aha! I did it. I feel so alive. 2, 3, 4. Oh, how did I do that? Great. I goofed it up. I hate this. How did I even do that? Come on. Oh, this thing stinks. Ugh. I don't believe it. Hello. Hello, my baby. Hello. You want to come on over? I wasn't planning this at all. You want to come on up? You want to come on up? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Don't worry, I'll bring you down. Ah, that's all right.
Oh, so precious. Such precious babies. Oh, so precious. Precious little baby.
Let's try this again. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yo, what's up, Fuji? What is good? Hang on, let me adjust this really quickly. Yes! Yes, we have it! We have it! We have a corner piece! 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I did it again! I'm never gonna see the light of day again, am I? No, I'm not. Yes! Hang on. Wait a minute. We got another corner piece! Yes! 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 Got another corner piece! Alright. So we got blue and red now. We have orange and blue, so the blue side is done. Yes! 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 We now have all the sides on the bottom done. Look at it. All that's left is just one more layer. And then we will be done solving the Rubik's Cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! 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 Yes! I've done it! Yes, I have done it! Right. None of the sides are in the right spot. None of them. 3 out of the 4 are in the right spot. But I have done it. About to say, mine's broken. Hello, Munchkin.
This is Munchkin. Hello, Munchkin. Aw, hi, Ozzy. Here. Hi, Ozzy. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Alright. What is it, Munchkin? Munchkin's name is Oscar, by the way, so I'm not kind of curious. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Alright, that's everything. He's Ozzy, the bigger dog, was angry at Oscar, the little dog, because he wasn't giving him any space to jump down on. Now he's giving up the sass talk, rather to the top.
Green, red, blue, orange! We did it! We're so close! Yes! Oh man, I want to get up every single time, but I can't. Look at that! We got orange, blue, red, and green. And all we got left are these 4 little pieces! Yes! Oh my goodness. And just like that, we were already on step 5. But little did I know, things were about to take a turn for the worst. No! No, don't tell me I just lost it. He went too fast. No. Thankfully, we were able to recover. Alright, and yes, this one's in the right spot. This one's in the right. All 4 of them are in the right spot. Yeah!
Step 6, but little did I know, I was going to be in for a much bigger treat.
He said if I make a mistake, I might have to go back to 0? Oh, okay. So we're just doing some surgery level solving now. That's no big deal. We're fine. I'm fine. Everything's peachy. Oh. Just as we were reaching the end game, disaster happened. What? No, 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 no! Don't tell me. No. Where is it? Which side was I on? No, no, no. Does that mean I have to redo the whole thing? I might break this. I might actually break this. I'm thinking about it. I'm definitely thinking about it. Hey! There we are. So now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we got our corner pieces done. Yeah, let's just... Yeah, we gotta start back from 0. We have to. This is gonna kill me. This is killing me, but we gotta go back down to 0. One, 2, 3. Yeah! Alright! And they line up this time, so we're doing good. We're back, we're back. We're back to stage 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! This stinks. Solving a Rubik's Cube stinks. Why did I even decide to do this? 2, 3, 4. And then undo it. That solves nothing. Nothing! Nothing! 3, 4. Huh? No. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. No. What did I do? I did something. I goofed it up. Oh. What did I do wrong? Think. Okay, we're right here. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Doesn't that look? 3 to 5 minutes, my butt. It's been 3 hours. Guess we gotta start all over. I gotta start over again, but this. Oh, never mind. That was a big time mistake. Oh, wait, okay. Well, we're at the final boss now. Yeah! Yeah! I got all my energy back. Just for this, just for this. Alright, we are back again to the final boss for the 4th time. We ran out of time. We outbeat the time. So, let me just actually remove that real quick. I solved. Oh my god! This is the closest we've ever gotten! Oh my god! We're only 2 away! So close. I just can taste victory. Or it's just gonna be out of my reach. We only have 2 left! 2 left! then we bring it here. And then here. And then here. And then here. Here. Then here. 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 And then right there. Yeah! We're done! We are done! We are so done! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! We did it! We beat it! We did it! Look at that! The whole thing is done! Oh my god! Yeah! We beat it! We beat it! We beat it! We did it! Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Thank you. We officially finished solving it. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna mess with this a little bit later just to see if I can get a time on it. Thank you so much for watching, man. I will see you later. Alright, I'm gonna... After doing some research on the video, I can confirm we finished the official time finished was exactly 5 hours, 13 minutes, and 42 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Please make sure to give Fuji some love. He was there for so much of the video. Oh my god. And have a great rest of your day. Thank you.